Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use break tools, close arc tools and complement tools. Today you can see here 3 point is very important, and you can see here one by one learn here and all explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today CATIA lecture 13 is discussed here, and 3 point you can see here. First is break point and third is close arc, second and third is complement. Or 3 point you can see here. Previous lecture 12 is 2 point discuss here. First is trim and second is quick trim. Next 13 lecture is, you can see here 3 point is discussed here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and go to the interface. Okay, this is a CATIA software, open, and this is all tools you can see here. And this tool is a first is clear, trim and quick trim is discussed here. And today you can see here, this is a drag point. Okay, today break point and close arc point and complement point, 3 point is discussed here. Okay, at first draw a line, double click and draw a line. Okay, and this point is okay, this and this point is delete here. Okay, first is a break point. Break point means, okay, this is a first point is break point and second point is close arc and third is complement. Okay, first point is a break point. Break point is a discuss here. First this is a line and line click. Okay, first, and this is a break point is active, second click. Okay, this 2 point is a break point and one line is a draw here. Okay, this is a single line and this is a break line. Break point, break means this line divide by 2, this is a break point. Coincident means this is a break point. And quick trim use, this is a quick trim is all discuss here. And this quick trim is first is delete. Okay, active, first is quick and second is quick. Okay, and second is quick and third is quick and fourth is quick. All line is a 4 parts is break point. Okay, again discuss here. This is a line and line is not active a break, but this line is a active break. Okay, this active break, double click, and this line is not active, but both is different. This is a quick point trim. Okay, all line is removed here, and this is a quick, first quick. Okay, trim, second trim, and third and fourth. Okay, all is a break point. Okay, this is a trim point and this is a trim point. Okay, and next is a close arc. Close arc means this is a 3 point arc, and this is a this arc is a this point. Again draw a this arc is a this point, and again draw a this arc is a this point. Okay, 3 line and all is a arc point. And this क्लोज आर्क को एक राउंड क्लोज करता है. क्लोज कैसे, हाउ इज दिस इज अ क्लोज आर्क and click and this line is active. Okay, this is a click here and all is a okay, this point okay, all is a close point, close arc. Okay, this is a active, this line, and select click and all is a round. You can see here this is a circle is drawing, and click here and this is a circle is drawing. Okay, and next point is a complement. Complement means this. Okay, you can draw here, and this is a first is a arc. Okay, okay, one point again draw here arc. Okay, but this is a delete here. Okay, and this point is a complement. Complement means okay, and this point is a complement. Complement means is a this point a select here, and this is a complement. Complement means all is a complemented, you can see here, and this is a complement means this is a opposite side remove, opposite side is a convert. This complement means this is a complement means a you can see here not is active, this is a not is active, but this is a active and complement this. Okay, this is a not active, delete here, you can see delete here, and again draw a okay, this point is a okay, this is a complement means this point is this is a this side, and this is a this side. Remaining part you can see here, this part is a remove, and remaining part you can see here, and this complement means this part is a okay, this part is a all is you can see here, this click this point this this arc is click, and this is remove, and remaining part you can see here. Okay, and all is fulfill, this part is a remove, and all remaining part so. Okay, okay guys, okay guys, CATIA lecture 14th is coming soon, and 3-point break and close arc and complement, 3-point you can see here, all point deeply and discuss here, all point deeply and clearly discuss here. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.